Changing your primary email on Aaron's 2026 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Log in. Access the Aaron's 2026 website and log into your account using your current email and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings, find the option for email preferences or contact information. Click on this to proceed to your email settings. Step 4. Update your email. You will see your current primary email address listed. Enter your new email address in the designated field and ensure it is typed correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new email, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to save your changes and check your new email for a confirmation message. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email will be updated. Make sure to verify the new email address to ensure you receive all important communications.